giant hailstorm in Netherland. Hailstorms are one of nature's most spectacular yet destructive shows, and when they're at their most extreme, they're a sight to behold. Today, we're diving deep into an extraordinary weather event, the giant hailstorm that struck the Netherlands. Let's unravel the science behind this phenomenon and take a closer look at the destruction and awe it brought. Our story begins on a seemingly normal summer day in the Netherlands. But as the afternoon rolled on, the sky began to darken. Clouds roiled and churned as an ominous silence fell over the landscape. Suddenly, hailstones the size of golf balls began to fall. These were no ordinary hailstones. They were massive, larger than any seen before in the country. To give you an idea, these hailstones were as large as tennis balls and even larger than a golf ball. Just imagine the force these ice chunks carried with them. The storm was relentless, showering the city with these monstrous hailstones. You can hear the deafening noise as they bombard rooftops, cars, and streets. The devastation they caused was immense and instantaneous. Let's hear from the locals who experienced this firsthand. The storm was an equal mix of fear and fascination for them, a testament to the duality of nature's incredible power. Ever wondered how these icy missiles are formed? Hail is created when there are strong upward currents of air in a thunderstorm. Let's delve into the science behind this weather phenomenon. The aftermath of the storm was a sight to behold. Streets were littered with ice, trees stripped of their leaves, cars dented, windows shattered. The city looked as if it had gone through a blizzard and a bombardment at the same time. Could hailstorms like this become more common in the future? We discuss climate change and the trends in extreme weather events, putting this storm into a broader global context. The giant hailstorm in the Netherlands was a striking example of nature's power and unpredictability. While it brought destruction, it also united communities in recovery and offered valuable lessons for the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of the storm. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more intriguing weather phenomena, science, and the power of Mother Nature. Stay safe and see you in the next video.